Warning: the stunts in this movie were performed by professionals, so for your safety and the protection of those around you, do not attempt any of the stunts you're about to see.
Yo, what's the deal, gang? Oh, 12 and whoop somebody? That's how we gonna start it? That's how we starting it out? 12 on that? But yeah, welcome back to the channel. And if you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Man, oh man. Oh no, I think he might have kept going. He might have just wanted to hit a U-turn. Hopefully. It look like a lot of cars up here going around something. Well, we gonna see. But yeah, on today's episode, oh yeah, accident. Ooh-wee. Hold on, y'all. It's a bit much going on to start the vlog out. I don't think I would have started if I seen all of this here. Did they hit the U-Haul? Or the U-Haul broke down? How do you all break down? Hey man, say man. I don't know what's going on, but welcome back to the page. And today we're on the way to this big bike event. My mom here in town from Arizona. My uncle up here, my sister, my whole family really, here for this bike event. So we about to get lit. My boy Drew about to pull up on me. Be pulling up real soon. We're about 9 minutes out from the event. We gonna pull up. I missed yesterday's event. There was so many bikes out, it was crazy. It was probably like 500 bikes plus. But it looked like it was a vibe. My homies pulled up, I missed it. I had some other business to attend to. This is my secondary job, if you wanna call it that. It's not a job, because when you love to do it, it's not a job. I don't have no jobs. Honestly. I just love what I do. But yeah, besides that, tonight we gonna ride real smooth, real safe. Make sure we make it home safe, make it to the event safe. Feel like it's a cop up here on the right. Yep, it look like it is. So I'm gonna be super safe tonight. They did say something about that this weekend. I don't know if they know that all the bikes are in town, that they doing like some slow down, Georgia slowdown thing. I don't know what it's called, something crazy. My editor sent me the text message, and I did see it from a couple other people that was posting. Yeah, that's definitely a cop. Riverdale 12, American Deli, American Smelly. Yeah, but we ain't getting pulled over tonight. We will not be nobody's content tonight. We are here to get the content. You hear me? So just vibe out. Just vibe, chill, kick back. Kick back. Kick back like a big back. Oh yeah. That's what I said earlier. I seen a billboard that said 100 million or something like that for the lottery. If I hit it, what bikes y'all want to see on this channel? What y'all want to see me ride, man? I might just get them on here, do some reviews, some tests. Let me know what y'all want to see me ride. But remember, I only been riding like 9 months. Yeah, like 9, almost 10. I think in September it'll be, September it'll be a year that I've been riding. So yeah, y'all can do it. Y'all can do the math. 10 months. Yeah, 10 months. Because it's in July. Say that. So we almost a year in, man, of riding. It feels so surreal. This is crazy. Just to go back and look at all my old content and just see where I came today. See how far I've come. It's definitely a dope journey. And I'm only getting better. I'm only getting better, man. I hope y'all been here from day one. If not, go ahead and join now. because we ain't stopping no time soon. Content consistent.
Everybody sub right now.
Every other day we dropping. We've been so consistent, so don't even trip. If you missed a video, you got more videos. If you get bored and need some videos, I got videos. Don't worry about it. You see a video you like, send it to your friend, put somebody else on. Because we lit. We are lit. Literally. Taco Bell. Cookout. We in the turning up another notch. They about to be over here drinking, getting lit. It's about to be hella vibes, hella energy, hella networking. I'm just following them because I really do not know if I got the right addy in. That's why I slowed down for real, for real. Let them hop in front of me. Look at them little YNs in the road. Running to Chipotle. Chipotle is my life. I'll be watching my surroundings like crazy. Stay aware, stay alert. I hope this lighting is good too. I don't have the ND filter on. I took a crazy video the other day. And guess what? It was in the middle of the day. No ND filter. Whole thing white. Can't see nothing. You can hear everything, but you can't see nothing. When I say sick, I mean ball-T. Super salty. Okay. Harley boys. Okay, another Harley. Brother gang. Brothers. I ain't gonna lie, this is a brother event. No kizzy. Yeah, if y'all don't know, my family do ride. We got slingshots, Can-Ams, Harleys. We got everything you can think of. Sports bikes. Whole family got something different. But we all ride. Oh, them Harleys behind me, I hear them. Why you gonna do all that? I don't even know that with him. That's 12? No. But we prepared. Okay, we made it. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. Okay. All right, bet. Say less. Oh, it's bike park. That makes sense. This is a bike event. Yes, sir. Let me in the clubhouse. In the clubhouse with the sports bike. Okay, little bridge. They coming right now. We chilling. Let me get y'all a look at this beautiful bike before we get over here in this shade and it get too dark for y'all to see my baby. Y'all know she outside. Put some respect on her. Yeah. Yeah, we litty. We ain't pulling up set tripping. We showing love.
Don't lose it because it's going to be good for all weekend.
Bet.
Okay, so he got a band now. He put it on his key, so y'all, if he going to have his bike on. I don't know
Yeah, I'm carrying these keys all year, all for the rest of my life. Yes, sir. Brother. Park anywhere? We can park anywhere. Park anywhere? Bet. I wasn't sure if it was a sport bike section. We'll see. Oh yeah, let's ease up in here.
Go around and park next to that bike in the back.
All right, bet. Yep, say that. Oh, we'll do that, bet. Oh yeah. Ooh, shit. I don't think this is safe. I do not think this is safe. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, family. Yep, that's good. I hope my bike don't go in this dirt. Okay, I should be good. King's compound. We made it. We about to pop in here. I'm about to get to moving around. I'm about to come up out of this helmet though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Just know, it's a different vibe. I'm gonna see what it's talking about. And I'll get right back with y'all. Blend right in. Gotta put my helmet up. I'm looking crazy. Couple sports bike on the pull up. R6. Yes, sir. What's going on, family? How you doing? All right. Yes, sir. Double R, S1000. Yeah, R6 clean. Yes, sir. Y'all see them? They lined up. They lining up. Deep. Kings of the South. Mother chapter, Atlanta, Georgia.
I'm your boy King Los in the building. Your founder, favorite founder.
Yes, sir. Pool party on Sunday. Yeah, I might have to pop back out. Oh, they trying to get in there tonight. Oh, it is hard. Real life clubhouse. Quarter parties in the cut. It's dope. It's dope. Real community. Oh shit. Jacuzzi? Oh yeah. This for the pool party on Sunday? Yeah, hell yeah. That's hard. Good lineup. Yeah, that's hard. That's the entrance for the cars over there, but it is the bike entrance. They got a little bridge for the bikes. That's hard. That's how you really turn the whole, yeah. Besides the gravel over there, that's the only thing. No shade, no hate, but yeah. Off the Red Bull, I gotta stay active. I hope my lighting good.
No one night stand. I'm a grown ass woman. I need a grown ass man. She needs somebody. I need somebody that's gonna treat me right. She needs somebody. Somebody that's gonna love me all night long. No one night stand. I'm a grown ass woman. I need a grown ass man. Somebody I can call my own. When we're together, baby, nothing feels wrong. I'm tired of playing these games. New love, but it tastes the same. I wanna get on your body when you call my name. Can you work my body? Can you in my mind?
Just shoot it right here.
There's no way. Oh, your backs. Let's check those pins in the back.
I need somebody that's gonna treat me right. She needs somebody. I need somebody that's gonna love me all night long. I'm looking one night stand. I'm a grown ass woman. I need a grown ass man.
It's right in here somewhere.
You don't got nothing you can do find my iPhone on? Yep, all this gravel, crazy work. Gotta be careful, can't drop the 6R fucking around with these Harley boys. Not the 600 F4i. Ooh, gotta play it safe over here. All this gravel is not it. Get me up out of here. Oosh. Good road. Say they coming? Yes, sir. That was a dope little event. If y'all enjoyed that content, man, make sure y'all go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe, show love. If y'all seen a bike y'all rock with, leave it in the comments. Let me close this helmet up. Oh my God, it's dumb dark. High beams. But if y'all like that content, go ahead and rock with me. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one.
Everybody sub right now!